Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the error code for Minecraft. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys are going to do is you're going to go ahead and make your way over to the search bar, or you're going to go ahead and type in view network connections. You're going to go ahead and find whatever your Wi-Fi / Ethernet cable is connected to, etc. Once you find it, go ahead and right click on it and hit properties. Once you're here, you can go ahead and make your way over to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Once that is selected, go ahead and hit properties, and then go ahead and select use the following DNS server address. For the preferred DNS server, you're going to go ahead and select 8.8.8.8, and then for the alternate DNS server, you're going to select 8.8.4.4. Once that's done, you can go ahead and hit OK, and then you can go ahead and close out of the view network connections. Now, the second method the second thing you guys want to do is go ahead and click on the command prompt, hit run as an administrator, and once the command prompt is open, you want to go ahead and type in ipconfig/flush DNS, and you want to go ahead and wait for this to run. Once this is finished running, you can go ahead and restart your PC, and you guys should be good to go. Now, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.